let me show you how you can set up Stripe payments for your web design agency using GoHighLevel. Now, if you don't already use GoHighLevel for this, if you sign up with my 30-day free trial link, you will get an access to the community where I teach how to build AI smart websites. So if you want to learn more about that, you have the link below, but let's get right into it. So the first thing you want to do is when you're in your sub account, so obviously you want to create your sub account, right? If you're in your agency, you want to have your sub account, then the first thing you want to do is you want to go to settings and you want to go to integrations. And in integrations, make sure to integrate the payments and checkout, which is right here. And if you can see Stripe somewhere right here, then you can also do that. But if you cannot see the Stripe right here, you want to go to your sites. Or actually, you want to go to payments, and then here you want to go to the integrations, okay? So here, as you can see, you have payment integrations. Make sure you have Stripe connected. So I don't have it connected right here, but make sure you connect Stripe right here, or PayPal. You can connect both of these. You also have options to connect authorize.net or any other, for that matter, or any other like integration. Now from there, once this is done, you can simply create either payment links or invoices, okay? So in this case, if you want to create just a payment link, you can create a link right here. And as you can see, this is where you want to create a product, okay? So you want to add a product to that payment link. So your product will be your website, okay? In this case, I'm selling AI Smart website, so it's a recurring monthly subscription. So in this case, you know, I would need to go and I would need to set this up. So how I usually do this is, again, I just wanted to show you this part because you can also do it with this part as well. But how I'm usually doing this is I'm going here to products and I want to create a new product. So in this case, the product is going to be AI Smart website, okay? I'm just going to be copying description the same. The product collection, that's all good. You can select the tax category here if you want. Again, this will depend based on your specific country, or as per global settings, the tax will be exclusive. So again, you can choose whether you want taxed or not, and you can attach the tax rate right here, as you can see, which again, you will need to add right here. So you can, you know, just go and add it, as you can see right here. But let's go back to the settings. So in this case, let's go back to products where we created a product. So it's going to be called AI Smart website, and the description is going to be that, okay? Then you have product media. You can attach a photo if you want, but again, for us, we don't want that. We want this to be recurring because again, this is a recurring service. For you, it might be one-time service. Again, based on your packages, you can go here and, for example, let's say 497 is going to be per month. And let's say, you know, the price to compare it is 800 usually. Again, I don't usually do that. I don't really set this up. And the billing period is monthly. And then if you need trial period, you can enter the trial period, but that's pretty much it, right? I don't add the variants. I don't add anything. I just hit save. And, you know, I hit save right here in the up right corner. From there, that's it, right? I have this in here. From there, I simply go to my invoices and I usually create an invoice, but again, you can create a payment link, as I said. So if you go here, you go to new invoice. You can simply go here, select the customer. So in this case, you will need to add a customer here and their email address. You will need to enter here the business information. Again, this will not say right here if you already integrated Stripe. This is my test sub account, so I'm just showing you how I usually do this. So then add a product, and then here you just want to add a product that you created. In this case, it's going to be called AI Smart website, which I don't see it right here. So just make sure to publish it. And then once you click here, you know, once you have your product live, you click on the product. So in this case, let's click this one. And as you can see, you can add a payment schedule as well if you don't already have it. You know, any additional options you might need, and then you just hit send. And once you send this, your customer will get this invoice and they will need to click on it. Like they will get like a link that they need to click on it. And if you have Stripe enabled, you will be able, or they will be able to pay you. And that's pretty much it. You will charge for your service. Now, it's extremely important that in your products right here under AI Smart website, make sure that this is fully edited right here, including online store. And if I need to show you any additional informations here, that's pretty much it, right? So make sure it's just, added in here. And again, as I said, you can either go the invoice route or the payment link route. Maybe you're creating invoices with some other, tool. You can go here, create invoice, and then you just select the product, as you can see. So this is the product for $197 a month. And that's pretty much it. The customer will go here, submit the first, last name, email, and they will be able to pay. And it just looks more professional than Stripe because you have the logo and everything right here. Usually with Stripe, everyone knows it's Stripe, but yeah, this is how it would look like. So again, if you have any questions around this, comment below. And if you want to join my community where I teach others how to sell AI Smart websites, you have the link below in the description. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.